Here we are supposed to study about the correlation functions, autocorrelation function and its properties. So if we are denoting the random process by capital X of t at that time, the autocorrelation function of a random process is the correlation of the two variables. If we are taking two variables, x of t1 and x of t2, these are the random process of these two variables x1 and x2. At that time, if we are taking the two random variables x1 and x2, that will be equal to, if we are converting this into a random process, we are supposed to take that variable over a function of time. So you can take x of t1, x of t2. So if we are taking this process at times t1 and t2, at that time, we are supposed to see about the autocorrelation function. So you will get Rxx t1 t2 equal to Ex of t1 x of t2. So here we can assume second order stationary process. So you will get Rxx t1 t2 will be equal to E of x of t1 x of t plus rho, and you will get here properties of the autocorrelations. If we are saying function is delayed by time tau, at that time you will get Rxx tau that will be less than equal to Rxx of 0. At that time you can say autocorrelation is bounded by its value at origin. If you will get Rxx minus tau equal to Rxx tau, you can say autocorrelation is an even function. If you will get Rxx 0 equal to Ex square t, you can take average power in the process. If you will get E of x of t, that will be equal to mean, that is not equal to 0, and x of t is ergodic with no periodic component. At that time you will get autocorrelations limit t tends to infinite Rxx tau equal to mean square of the random process. So you can take x of square. Here we have seen about the autocorrelation functions and its properties for the random process. Remaining we will see in the next session. Thank you.